Okay, I'm just going to introduce to you the all-in-one starter ruler. This has a crosshair in the middle that will help you do rotating designs. It has center lines marked on every curve, and you have a convex and concave curve that will stitch out exactly the same, plus a smaller concave curve. That little S curve that will create a 1-inch diameter circle. With a straight edge, with a 60-degree guideline there, you can create some great designs. In this exercise, we're just going to show you how to do continuous curves using the two convex and concave curves that are the same, and a drawing wheel which mimics the needle being a 1/4 of an inch away from the edge of your ruler. So you can see how easy it is just to use the two curves that are the same. You don't have to manipulate that ruler on the opposite side of the foot, because you can just flip it around to get the two curves that you need, and keep the ruler in a comfortable location. So we can do this design all in with one start and stop, which is the ultimate aim for this one. We finished our continuous curves, and now just going to have a bit of a play with filling in the negative spaces on this design. So I did start out just trying to do this freehand with a pencil, but then I decided, look, I think we can get a nicer finish if we actually use the ruler, and we'll just do 1/4 of an inch diagonal lines. And this can also be done continuously as you go through every single section of this block. So first of all, I've done it in one direction, and I'll leave that to go till we get through to the end, and then we'll reverse and go back the other way. Now we're just heading back the opposite way, and again this can be continuous, and what we are effectively doing is creating a 1/4 of an inch crosshatch in the center of each of those individual little blocks, which can be very, very effective if this has been created on plain fabric. But you can be creative and either leave it blank or fill it in with any sort of design that you like. But having this ruler gives you lots of different options with the different edges, and that is why I called it an all-in-one starter ruler, because there are endless designs that you can create.